Dear students, I am Pratik sir, mathematics teacher of class 9, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In this video, we will study theorem number 7 of circles. It's a very important theorem. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. The angle formed by an arc at the center is double the angle formed by the same arc at any other point on the circle. There are three cases in this theorem. Talking about an arc. In the first case, you can see arc PQ is a minor arc forming angle POQ at the center and angle PAB at any other point on the circumference. In second case, arc PQ is a semicircle arc forming angle POQ at the center and angle PAQ at any other point on the circumference. And in third case, arc PQ is a major arc forming angle POQ, which is a reflex angle at the center, and angle PAQ at any other point on the circumference. In all the three cases, we have to prove that the arcs which are forming the angle at the center is always double, is twice the angle formed by the same arc at any other point on the circumference. It means in all the cases we have to prove that angle POQ equals to twice of angle PAQ. In all the three cases, angle POQ equals to twice of angle PAQ. We will join OA in all the three cases and we will extend it to a point B, as you can see in all the three figures. We know that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles, which is known as angle sum property of a triangle. Therefore, according to the angle sum property of a triangle, for triangle OAQ, exterior angle BOQ equals to sum of its opposite two interior angles, angle OAQ plus angle OQA. Let this as equation number 1. For triangle OAP, exterior angle to this triangle is angle BOP, which will be equals to sum of its opposite two interior angles, angle OAP plus angle OPA. Let this as equation number 2. Now, in triangle OAQ, since opposite sides are equal, OA equals to OP, therefore base angles will also be equal. Angle OQA will be equals to angle OAQ. Now from equation 1, we will get angle BOQ equals to angle OAQ plus angle OAQ once again. In place of OQA also we will put OAQ because both the angles are equal. So OAQ plus OAQ will be equals to twice of angle OAQ. Let this as equation number 3. Similarly, in triangle OAP, OAP angle will be equal to angle OPA. So equation 2 will become angle BOP equals to OAP and OPA की place पर भी angle OAP. So OAP plus OAP will be equals to twice of angle OAP. Let this equation as equation number 4. We will add equation 3 and 4 together. Left hand side part will be added together. RHS part will be added together. So left hand side parts are angle BOQ plus angle BOP equals to RHS part twice of OAQ angle and twice of angle OAP. 2 common, angle OAQ plus angle OAP according to the figure is making angle PAQ. And left hand side, angle BOQ plus angle BOP equals to angle POQ. So we have to prove that angle POQ equals to twice of angle PAQ which is proved according to the asked part in the theorem. Thank you.